Tony, let's talk to you. A lot going on this afternoon, especially we saw that Brevard County.
You know, most people forget this morning we had even more rain up there in Marion County, 6 to 7 inches of rain. But and I think we're going to have another day tomorrow where we have to watch the potential for over 4 inches of rain because of the remnants of what was once invested.
Is it moving really fast? It seems like it. Did it move fast?
Today it moved fast. But here's the deal: it may have moved fast, but the water content was so rich. That's the problem. You get 3 to 5 inches of rain in 2 to 3 hours, and you know we get what happened today, and that could play out again tomorrow. So wet tomorrow, wet Thursday, and then we're going to do the weekend thing all over again. More heat, another scorcher. In fact, I think just as hot as last weekend. The other point I want to make, and Cam and I were just looking at this, we've had over 30,000 lightning strikes in the last 24 hours. From Tampa to Melbourne. That's the lightning capital of the United States, not the world, but of the United States. And this is we're getting into the peak of our lightning season right now. June, July, August, and even September. We've had 12 fatalities across the United States so far in 2025, and one here in Florida. So we just want you to be mindful of that. You hear thunder, you know there's been lightning, you just got to be smart, get indoors and let that rough weather pass by. You can see the radar really quiet now, but look at Anthony, look at Citra, Fellowship, Micanopy, well over 4 inches of rain. Then we head down south, Melbourne Village, West Melbourne, Florida Tech, Palm Bay. Cam just updating this literally about a half an hour ago. 3 to 4.5 inches of rain. So the 12-hour forecast for tonight, we'll keep the chance in for an isolated shower, but overall the pattern is set for tomorrow where we're going to be looking at the potential for afternoon showers and thunderstorms with some locally heavy rain. And because of that, we're going to start to think about impact weather. And tomorrow we're going to have that, we think, from late morning on into the afternoon. Could see some more localized flooding. Now, when you take a look at Futurecast here, it's quiet through the morning. Then here come those afternoon showers and storms, and some of them will bring some locally heavy rain, and it could be targeting Sumter, Marion, and Lake County as that upper level feature moves closer to us and then across the peninsula late in the day. So there will be pockets just for tomorrow of 2, 3, 4+ inches of rain. Then we take this disturbance over the next couple days and we push it westward. We're still in its grip on Thursday, but we think by late Thursday night on into Friday, it'll be far enough away from us, and with this big ridge of high pressure building in, things are going to start to heat up Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So another day where we're watching the flood concerns here across central Florida, especially up in Marion and southern Brevard County where we got hit really hard today. Temps tomorrow, by the way, upper 80s to around the 90-degree mark. Feels like temperatures the next few days looking like this. Not bad tomorrow in check. Thursday we're back to normal, and then as we head into the weekend, 105 to 110. It's a little bit too early to tell whether or not we'll have heat advisories, but it's certainly looking like there could be more heat advisories coming as we head into the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, there's that big ridge of high pressure that's going to be supplying us with some near record heat. 96, 97, and 96 degrees on into Monday. Good news, the tropics are quiet for now. We'll take a closer look at the tropics coming up in the next half hour. Here's what you need to know, though, over the next 7 days. It's all about the rain tomorrow and Thursday, and then we heat things up Saturday, Sunday, Monday, not just inland areas, but check this out along the coast, 92, 93, 94, and no mention of any rain as we get you on into Sunday. That's pretty rare.